shows you were placed on probation October 29th of 2018 for aggravated robbery, a first-degree felony. Again, that was a 10-year deferred probation. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Each of these motions allege that you probation. Count one in each motion alleges that you committed the offense of burglary of a building March 22nd of 2025 in Jefferson County, Texas. And is that true or not true?
No, ma'am. Not true.
Count two in each case alleges that you provided a urine sample March 18th of 2025 that tested positive for methamphetamines and marijuana. And is that true or not true? True or not true?
True.
Count three in each of the cases alleges that you were at a location other than your residence at 11:15 p.m. March 22nd of 2025. And is that true or not true? I'm sorry?
Not true.
Okay. Count four in each case alleges that you are behind in your court-assessed fees, and it's just a little bit in each case, $29 in one and $37 in the other. Is that true or not true?
Yes, true.
Did you enter your pleas of true in each of the cases to counts 2 and 4 freely and voluntarily? The counts that you pled true to, 2 and 4, did you do that voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you plead true to those counts because those two are actually true?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 2 and 4 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence in each case to find you guilty and revoke your probation, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to reset your cases for a hearing. The state on that date, if they want, can put on evidence with regard to any other allegations, and anything that you think is important for me to know, get that information to Mr. Kimler. He will present it to me on your behalf when we come back. I'll also get probation to do an updated report as well. All right, back with the bailiff.
Your Honor, if I may, this is deferred. I think the court has set bonds in the cases. They're relatively high. I believe they're.
Do you want to file a motion for, if I've already had a hearing with another attorney, I don't, unless there's some change of circumstances, I don't, we're not going to do that today for sure. But I would need some change of circumstance if I've already had a hearing.
When the reset is, can we get a speedy reset? Or how long?
You're going to get the same reset on a motion that we get so that everybody can get prepared and so that that updated report can get taken care of.
I'll be out to see you.
Print.
Good morning, sir. You are Brandon Chillo?
Yes, ma'am.
And in cause numbers, or in cause number, I'm sorry. Is there two cases? Yeah. 19-32403 and 19-32404. Mr. Simon, good grief. Sorry, Miss Simon. Mr. Chillo is on probation in each of those cases, was here previously and entered pleas of true to motion to revoke probation to counts 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7. I've received an updated report, and has everyone had an opportunity to review that report?
Yes.
Any additions or corrections to that report?
Nothing finished.
Judge, the only thing I have is, in speaking with Mr. Hoffbauer last week, it was not his position, I don't believe, to put on any additional evidence because of the fact that Mr. Chillo pled true to count 1. The others just kind of actually patterned that, and based on Ms. Simon's recommendation of continuing him on probation with JCDI. We don't have evidence of that. If the court needs it, we can get it. But I
No,
believe
are
that
y'all
it
in
was
agreement
filed.
with that recommendation, Ms. Malfino?
Ms. Simon.
Yes.
And Ms. Simon, that's still your recommendation? You believe that? It looks like, for the most part, Mr. Chillo, you've been doing everything you're supposed to, especially on the type of probation you're on, which is great, and that gives me less concern. But it looks like there have been some issues specifically with some drug usage that you need some help for, and probation is willing to give you that help and keep you on probation. I want to make sure you understand, if I go along with this today and continue you on probation, and if you violate again in any way, it is probably not going to go as well as it's going to today. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. find sufficient evidence in each case to find you guilty and revoke your probation. Probation in each of your cases in order that as a condition of that probation, you enter and successfully complete the JCDI program. You will be on the high medium caseload, so you're going to be going to probation more often. You're going to be going to JCDI. If you test positive, if you continue to violate in any way, you're going to be back in here, and again, we're not going to have such a nice conversation. Do you understand? What you're on probation for is extremely serious. I appreciate that you're doing that part of your probation well, but I want to make sure you know